Welcome to the reveal of the 2023 Africa.com definitive list of women CEOs. The list, in its third year, is unique given that it is data-driven with data provided by Bloomberg. Africa.com researchers evaluated 2,020 companies listed on the 24 African stock exchanges. Africa.com screened for those companies with revenue of $100 million or more, or a market cap of $150 million or more. This yielded a list of 787 companies. The list is divided into three groups. Group 1, CEOs of African corporations, includes women who run companies listed on an African exchange that meet our revenue or market cap thresholds. Group 2, division heads of African corporations, women who run divisions of listed African companies where the division itself meets our size threshold. Group 3, regional heads of global corporations, women who run the Africa region or an African country of corporations listed on global exchanges that meet a higher threshold of revenue of $10 billion or more. We start with regional heads of global corporations. At 93, Abiola Bawa, CEO UBA Africa, United Bank Africa. At 92, Amiso, Regional CEO Central Africa, United Bank Africa. At 91, Phuthi Mahanyele Dabengwa, CEO South Africa, Naspers Limited. At 90, Abina Osiepoku, Managing Director Ghana, Absa Group Limited. At 89, Mizinga Melu, CEO and Managing Director Zambia, Absa Group Limited. At 88, Vivian McMenamin, CEO South Africa, Mondi PLC. At 87, Mi Twang Ambi, CEO Cameroon MTN Group Limited. At 86, Yolanda Kuba, Vice President, Southern and East Africa Region, MTN Group Limited. At 85, Nolita Fakude, Group Director, South Africa, Anglo-American PLC. At 84, Edith Gia, Group Chief Executive Officer, Old Mutual Malawi Limited, Old Mutual Limited. At 83, Aida Diare, Head of Sub-Saharan Africa, Visa Inc. At 82, Paola Pochi, President Africa, Asia and Australasia Region, Imperial Brands. At 81, Kathy Prim Smith, Managing Director Africa, SAP. At 80, Luisa Ortega, President Africa, The Coca-Cola Company. At 79, Patricia Obunai, CEO Ghana, Vodafone Group. At 78, Aminata Kane Ndiaye, VP Mobile Financial Services, Orange Middle East and Africa, Orange Group. At 77, Ireti Samuel Ogbu, CEO and Country Officer for Nigeria and Ghana, Citibank, Citigroup Inc. At 76, Brenda Mbati, President East Africa, General Electric Company. At 75, Yvonne Ike, Managing Director, Head of Sub-Saharan Africa, Bank of America Corporation. At 74, Nicole Roos, Managing Director, Eastern and Southern Africa Region, Nestle. At 73, Lillian Barnard, CEO South Africa, Microsoft Corporation. At 72, Dielo Mujabelu, CEO BP South Africa, BP. At 71, Mariam Kane Garcia, Managing Director and CEO Total South Africa, Total Energies. At 70, Juliet Ehimwan, Director West Africa, Google Alphabet Inc. At 69, Teju Ajani, Managing Director Nigeria, Apple Inc. We continue with division heads of African corporations. At 68, Anastasia Kimtai, Managing Director, KCB Bank Kenya Limited. At 67, Buitumelo Masoko, General Manager Consumer Sales, Botswana Telecom. At 66, Nanis Adel, Managing Director, Cairo Specialized Hospital, Cleopatra Hospitals Group. At 65, Pearl Nkrumah, Executive Director, Retail and Digital Banking, Access Bank Ghana. At 64, Anne Diepile, CEO, Alexander Forbes Investments, Alexander Forbes. At 63, Jackie Carr, CEO, Equipment, Fleet Management and Leasing Business, ENX Group Limited. At 62, Annette Ahern, CEO, PSG Asset Management, PSG Consult Limited. At 61, Dina Samaha, Group Head of Corporate Banking, Societe Aribe International de Bank. At 60, Yasmin Galal, Head of Consumer and Business Banking, Egyptian Gulf Bank. At 59, Helene Echevin, CEO, CKCL Limited. At 58, Jacqueline Waitaka, Director Corporate and Institutional Banking Division, Cooperative Bank. At 57, Elise Groesbeek, Managing Director, Arxo Logistics, Teresa PLC. At 56, Rosemary Odu, General Manager, Commercial Services and Sales, Kenya Power. At 55, Sally Ann Jackson, Managing Director, Miladies, Mr. Price Group. At 54, Kate Rycroft, Managing Director, Venture Business, Distal Group Holdings. At 53, Richelle Kreutz, Regional CEO, SA Commercial, Aspen Pharmacare. At 52, Maha Al Rifai, Head of Corporate and SMEs Direct Banking Division, Qatar National Bank. At 51, Nagam Kandil, Head of Retail Banking Division, Qatar National Bank. At 50, Nevin Wefke, CEO, Corporate Credit and Investment, Commercial International Bank. At 49, Yoliswa Pashe, CEO, General Entertainment and Connected Video, MultiChoice Group. At 48, Fulu Badugela, CEO, MultiChoice Africa Holdings, MultiChoice Group. At 47, Zaida Rylands, CEO, Woolworths Food, Woolworths Holdings. At 46, Kerry Castle, CEO, Mobility Solutions, Motors Holdings Limited. At 45, Mariam Kassim, CEO, Financial and Digital Services, Vodacom Group. At 44, Kanye Samkize, CEO, Sanlam Corporate, Sanlam Limited. At 43, Prabhashni Moodley, Managing Director, Old Mutual Corporate, Old Mutual Limited. At 42, Kerrien Land, Managing Director, Personal Finance and Wealth Management, Old Mutual Limited. At 41, Aline Cote, Industrial Lead, Zinc and Lead, Glencore PLC. We conclude with CEOs of African corporations. At 40, Faith Mabu Ndeta, Managing Director of Sichaba Breweries Holdings Limited. At 39, Bronwyn Knight, CEO, Grit Real Estate. At 38, Magda Wieziska, Founder and Executive Chairman of Signia Limited. At 37, Amelia Beati, CEO of Liberty 2 Degrees. At 36, Mama Taj Muati, President of SNEP. At 35, Tommy Somefun, Managing Director and CEO of Unity Bank PLC. At 34, Oyeyemike Adeboye, Managing Director of Cadbury Nigeria PLC. At 33, Njilan Sengore, Managing Director of Trust Bank Limited. At 32, Valentine Zovova, CEO of African Equity Empowerment Investments Limited. At 31, Val Nikas, CEO of Spur Core Limited. At 30, Dr. Leila Furi, Group CEO of JSE Limited. At 29, Jackie van Niekerk, CEO, Attack Limited. At 28, Mapula Mudibe, CEO of MTN Rwanda Style PLC. At 27, Kiabetswe Peku Mushahana, Managing Director of Absa Bank Botswana. At 26, Dr. Helene VC, Managing Director, Guinness Ghana Breweries. At 25, Mansa Neti, CEO of Standard Chartered Ghana. At 24, Diane Karusisi, CEO of BK Group PLC. At 23, Lamia Tazi, CEO of Setema. At 22, Mercia Gaysees, CEO of SBN Holdings Limited. At 21, Ann Juko, CEO of Stanbic Bank Uganda. At 20, Owen Omojiafo, President and Group CEO, Transcore PLC. At 19, Godri Ogbechi, Group Executive Director, Rain Oil. At 18, Catherine Lisetedi, Group CEO, Botswana Insurance Holdings Limited. At 17, Faith Mukutu, CEO, Zambeef Products PLC. At 16, Mukwandi Chibesa Kunda, CEO, Zanaco. At 15, Dr. Hind Al Sherbini, Group CEO, Integrated Diagnostics Holdings. At 14, Naseem Devji, Group CEO and Managing Director of Diamond Trust. At 13, Ruth Zaipuna, CEO, NMB Bank PLC. At 12, Ramasela Ganda, Group CEO, Zeda Limited. At 11, Zanele Matlala, CEO, Mirafi Resources. At 10, Neka Onyali Ikpe, Managing Director and CEO of Fidelity Bank. At 9, Ndombi Felicia Msiza, CEO, Raubex Group Limited. At 8, Jane Karuku, Group Managing Director and CEO, East African Breweries. At 7, Miriam Chidiebele Olusanya, Managing Director of Guarantee Trust Holding Company. At 6, Albertina Gegana, CEO, Royal Bafokeng Holdings. At 5, Dr. Nombasa Tsengwa, CEO, Exaro Resources. At 4, Bertina Engelbrecht, CEO, Clicks Group Limited. At number 3, Mpumi Matisa, CEO, Bidvest Group. At number 2, Nompumelelo Zigalala, CEO, Kumba Iron Ore Limited. At number 1, Natasha Filyun, CEO of Anglo American PLC. Congratulations to the Africa.com 2023 definitive list of women CEOs. For more information about the Africa.com definitive list of women CEOs, visit thedefinitivelyst.africa.com.